Hi guys, it's your girl Blogging with April, guys. I'm gonna show you a little quick, cute style. It's affordable that you can do with your slouch socks. So what I did, these are my slouch socks, and I just pull them over my jeans. My jeans are tucked in. So these are the Slouch Socks jewelry. This is what I got from my local beauty supply store. So I'm just putting them on my socks. And I think I got one pack for each size. I think I'm gonna do probably another pack. I've done these, so I'm gonna have to fill these in. So I'm gonna get like another pack to do on this sock. So show you something, a cute way. This is an idea. You can get chains and different stuff like that. That's how you can do it. If you kind of wanna, you know, glam up your look a little bit. This is just something fresh. So I got that there. See that? Like I say, I think 2 packs for each sock could do a trick. You can space them out. I know homecoming is coming up, games, events, carnivals, and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? If you got some high tops, you can do it like that too, if you know. So I'm probably going to put that there in the middle. My bow goes in the middle. So it's easy. It's just a pin. I'm going to show you guys. I know I was moving fast. So this is how it looks. And it's like the pin on the end, like the pin there. So you just, it's easy just to stick through your sock. And it's called slouch sock. So you want to get the slouch sock. Something that goes like over your jeans, like a fitted pair of jeans. Put that fell over there. So put that there. And I might just adjust. I'm just showing y'all this for the video purposes. I'm going to just adjust them once I put them on. Like that there. Pretty bow. So see how that looks so far? So I'm going to do that there. And I'm probably going to put one there. It's like a little cute, look like a butterfly. So isn't that dope? So say you can get like you can get different designs. So that there. So I'm probably going to rearrange these. And so I'm thinking I need 2 packs. This is my first time doing this design. So now I'm kind of seeing how many packs I need to go for. You can like fill up your whole sock. I've seen videos where people, the whole sock is so they got different charms and all kind of stuff. So you can do that. You can do that however you want to do that. So just a little idea with some cute high tops or sneaker, like regular low top sneakers like that. So I'm just going to fill these. I'm going to get like another pack for each sock. And that's what we're going to do. So a little quick, cute idea you can do with your slouch socks. Blogging with April.